Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm getting more and more pleased with Monster or MacroMonster.com with eCut. And I tried to do this exact same thing in Corel today, and it wouldn't work. But in eCut, it's unbelievable. I have made this Christmas tree, and I just cut it out today, and this plan worked. And I'm going to share this on in a couple of days. I'm going to take some more pictures. But I want to show you how you could do it if you had eCuts. I have a 3/4 inch hole or a 0.37 inch hole that I used because that was the size of my dowel. And after you do a test, we're going to replace it with a 1/2 inch dowel. But instead of having to blend all these holes in there, and I tried to do it inside of Corel, and Corel would change the size, but it wouldn't put them in the exact spot. So inside of eCut, it's called replace, and I'm going to select on our 0.5 hole, and I'm going to make that my master shape. Then I'm going to select all of the other holes, and I'm going to make it my master shape to replace. And in that quick, it put a 1/2 inch hole exactly where the other ones were. I did this inside of Corel today, and it didn't work. So it's right here, replace. We're going to do it again on this bottom section. So it'll only take like 2 keystrokes to do this. Let's make the shape, set it as our master shape. I'm going to have to move this out of the way a little bit, and I might have to use the freehand pick tool to get all these. So we've got the master shape selected. Now I'm going to use the freehand pick tool to pick all the other shapes and replace it. And in that quick a time, it replaced all those holes. So now you could cut this tree out with a 1/2 inch dowel. Just keeps getting better and better. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you.